Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In this video, we discuss how to store form data into database using PHP. So let's start. First of all, we need to create simple HTML form. So we create HTML form that contains name, mail, password and submit button. So let's create it. We open form type. We pass store.php as an Excel and post method as a method. Now we create a name field. We pass text as an input type and name as a value of name. Next we create mail field. Now we create password field. Last we create submit button. Now we create store.php script. In last video we learned how to connect database using PHP. If you did not watch it, then check it out. Link available in description. First we connect server using MySQLi _connect function. If server is connected, then we select database using MySQL _select _db function. Now we fetch form data using $_post method. We fetch name into name variable, mail into mail variable, and password into PSW variable. Now we insert data into user table. So let's write query for it. Finally, we execute insert query using MySQLi _query function. And close the database. We use MySQLi _error function to fetch error which is occur during database operation. Save the script and see the output. We execute registration form. Here I enter all required data. So data is inserted. Now we see PHP MyAdmin panel to check data is inserted or not. As you can see, data is inserted. If you have any doubt, then comment us. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.